bloody hell this is.
That's bait, mate.
Cut off. Oh no, that's a fish. Man, that's a fish. Fuck. There you go. Decent, eh?
Fuck yeah. Oh. My reel keeps fucking flicking up.
That bottom, mate, you just lifted it straight off the bottom a little bit. Oh. Go slow down. Go slow.
Slow down.
No, here he is. Good fish. Big pinky.
What's that underneath it? Shark, eh?
No, it's a...
Same right there,
no,
close.
it's air bubble.
Yes.
I mean, that's a nice snapper, man.
Yes. Yeah, same bro. This is cool one, this one.
Saw him down the road.
Did ya?
Yeah.
I should have left your jig down there, bro.
Oh. Fight. It's fighting.
That's a good one.
I've seen them all in the sounder.
Where you got the GoPro, bro? In your mouth.
I felt you rubbing along my...
Yeah, nice size. That's a dewy, mate. Nah, pinky.
Big pinky.
Another big pinky.
That's nice. Oh man.
You right?
Oh shit. Woo! Another one on the glow bottom meat.
Yeah, that's it, baby. Number 2.
Yeah.
That's it, Joey.
Dunno. Shit.
He's big.
Yeah. I just felt it like slam it.
That's different to the way mine was fighting, eh?
Here it is.
Drift this way.
Oh.
Nah. Oi, what the? Wait. Oh, baby. 1 meter.
Woo! Yeah, boy! Woo!
That's a big pinky, bro.
On the bottom, mate, again!
That's a big pinky, man.
Bottom meat! Fuck yeah. That's a big on the circle hook as well. It's a mean looking fish. Not only do bottom meat catch dewies, they catch big bloody pinkies. A horse.
That's not a pinky.
Get a saddle. So the fishing was super tough today, like it has been lately. There's a lot of current, the water's really dirty. Fished heaps of spots. We kind of went out there blind and managed to just find some new ground. Emad's sounder just works unbelievable, like 20 knots, 25 knots, it works, like doesn't break up the bottom or anything. It's perfect. So yeah, we just found some new ground and managed to get out a bit deeper in the 80s, and we didn't find any dewies, but found some cracking pinkies. But yeah, another awesome day on the water on a bloody awesome boat.